What do economists mean when they talk about inequality? The term inequality has always been closely linked to the concept of justice. The French Revolution showed that too much inequality in a society can destabilize and even topple it. Quality of life and buying power have both increased substantially in the past 100 years. But when we take global interconnectedness into consideration, so too has inequality, and dramatically. For the world's poorest, the situation is particularly dire. Anyone living on less than $1.25 a day is considered to be below the poverty line. Even small price fluctuations hit these people especially hard. Just as when the food crisis in 2008 led to a massive surge in poverty. The prices of rice, corn, wheat and soy, the world's four most important foods, tripled in just a short time. The world's poor swelled to 1 billion in number. But access to appropriate food is a human right, and to help safeguard that right, the introduction of transfer systems is one possible solution. However, any such programs need to be implemented with foresight, or they can cause more harm than good. If we increase the incomes of the world's poorest through a tax on the wealthy, they could then afford more basic food staples. But at the same time, that would increase demand and therefore prices. Naturally, this would have an effect on other segments of society, who would then need to spend more on staple foods. If the increase in price is extreme, it could even lead to a situation in which the poorest themselves can afford even less than before. This is why any effective design for a transfer system needs to focus on the society as a whole. Nobel laureate for economics Sir James Mirrlees sums up this issue.
It's actually quite important to design these transfer systems and paying attention to other people in the population besides those that you think of as being particularly targeted by it.